Hey! In front of me is CUBOT Note 9 and today I would like to show you how you can connect it to printer. Firstly, go into Devices Settings and choose Connected Devices. Now you need to click on Connection Preferences and tap on Printing. Then choose Default Print Service or tap on Add Service and install the best one for you. For example, I have HP printers, I will go with HP one, wait for it to download and click on the back button twice. Finally, tap on one of your services, I will go with HP one, and tap on this switcher if it's not already on. Your device is now looking for a printer. When it finds one, it will connect to it right away. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!